Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn off X or Twitter sensitive content settings. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, open the Twitter or X application on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Here, tap on Settings and Support. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now tap on Content you see. As you can see, we have this option within the application to change sensitive content. But sometimes you don't find this option in the Twitter app. However, if we open our account through a browser, you will find the option to turn off sensitive content. Now open your browser and navigate to your Twitter account here. Tap on the icon located at the top left corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. Then tap on Content you see. You can see that you will find this option here as well. And from here you can turn off sensitive content on Twitter or X. So that's basically how you can turn off X or Twitter sensitive content settings. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.